What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. Today's video we're going to be going over DEGEN, baby. Hey, where my DEGENs at, baby? Hit that like button, subscribe for more, leave a comment where you're tuning in from, man. Hey, let's just give a round of applause, right, to all the DEGENs out there. Hey, we are looking beautiful. We are looking absolutely beautiful. We have been proposing this thesis for a while now, right? We have been proposing this thesis for a while now. Sorry, this thing got all jacked up. Right, we had this falling wedge, right? We were saying, hey, we're looking bullish, we're looking great, we're looking bullish. What did we do? We came up, bounced off the 786, and now we're targeting that dreaded 618, right? So we still have work to do, but boy, oh boy, oh boy. If you were subbed to the channel, hey, you already knew what was going to happen, right? You know why you knew it was going to happen? Stablecoin dominance. Look at stablecoin dominance, ladies and gentlemen. This thing has tanked, it has fallen through. We do need to stay below the 637 mark. That is key. That is key. That is key. So let's see. Let's monitor this moving forward. So everything is playing out perfectly, ladies and gentlemen. We're still in the grind. We're still trying to figure out what we're doing. But look at us. Look at us breaking out. I can get rid of this now because we ain't drizzling anymore. We ain't drizzling anymore. We are breaking out. We have broken out. We've done the double entendre, breaking out moving average, breaking out the RSI trend line. And so now what are we doing? We're trying to interact with this 5586. What are we going to do with this area? Right? We still have work to do. We still have work to do a lot of the times, right? A lot of the times before big moves, what do you see? You see a big move. You see a move up, and then you see a drizzle down, right? So over the next couple of days, maybe we move up and then drizzle down. Get prepared for another large move, right? Get prepared for another large move. It all depends on what the market makers want to do, right? In my opinion, I think this has been the drizzle down. This has been the drizzle down, kind of like this, right? Kind of like this. Kind of had your move up a little bit, move up, drizzle down, or even move up, drizzle down, drizzle down, drizzle down, drizzle down, ready to rock and roll. Nobody in the move. FOMO, excitement, everything kicks off, right? On the 3-day, look at the 3-day, ladies and gentlemen. Please sub to the channel if you're not subbed. Like the video, comment for more, right? Hey, I'm not a financial advisor, but baby, I tell you what. This RSI looks so damn good, right? We are breaking out over this 3-day moving average. It's a double entendre. We get above this, oh my goodness, we are going to be doing just fine, ladies and gentlemen. I promise you that. So, if we're looking at the levels, right? We have these levels. Let's go over to the 2-hour chart, right? Let's kind of look at these in more depth. We've cleared above the 786, right? Kind of bounced on it again. Cleared above it, uses as support for our move to get above. Right, we use it as support, got above, we came back and back tested right here. Now what do? Do we come up again and reject, or do we come up and then use this as support and flag out, then go? Right, I would actually like the latter. I would really like to do this, like get above this, and then drizzle down and then go. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm thinking we're going to be doing. Okay, that's what I'm thinking what we're going to be doing. Once today, tomorrow I'll throw in some fibs. Kind of see where we're going to be going. We already have levels on here. That's it. They're in advance, right? We don't play games where we see the move, then we put the levels in. Nah. We're seeing how our levels play out right now, and then once we get above these levels, then we can start thinking higher. Okay, we're going to be calm, cool, and collected in this time, right? We got to make sure that stablecoin dominance falls off the freaking face of a cliff. Okay, this is falling off the face of a cliff. This is stablecoin dominance plus Bitcoin dominance as a whole. So if this thing goes down, ladies and gentlemen, we are rocking and rolling. We are rocking and rolling. We are below all the EMAs now. We just crossed all the EMAs on the 2-hour. Not as relevant as you'd like it to be. Let's check out the 8-hour. Haven't crossed below anything. What about the 4-hour? I don't know why I skipped that. Ooh, baby, let's go. Look at this. Right, we crossed below the 100. Very good, very good. What do we do right here? Do we bounce or do we keep going? Right? Do we bounce or keep going? We've kind of come up to a lull over the past 4 hours, right? Kind of, you can't just always go down in a straight line. I mean, I wish, but typically you're going to find some areas to bounce from. We're trying to get above, right? Hey, this thing is trying to stay above the 37.89 mark. We get down below this 37.89 mark, it's sayonara, sucker. So we'll keep an eye out on that. All right, we'll keep an eye out on this and see where we're going with this as well. Okay, but all things considered, DEGEN looks great. DEGEN looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm kind of pressed for time if I'm being honest, so I'm going to add in JASMY as well, because I would like to do 2 separate videos, but I got contractors coming through the house. Oh baby, look at that RSI. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. This looks good. We are finding resistance at the September open. I mean, quite literally on the September open, right? We're just finding some resistance on that. So we definitely want to get above the September open. Moving averages, we're still below the moving averages, right? We still have a lot of work to do. We have broken out of this falling wedge. We've broken out. We've picked a direction. Now let's see some continuation, right? You can't just pick a direction and then slam back down and reverse everything. Okay, what do we got on the 2-day? We got a green dot on the 2-day. Beautiful. What about on the 3-day? Nothing on the 3-day yet. We are trying to get above the 46.85 level. I don't know why I have 2, but who knows? I was feeling some type of way. But we are finding some resistance down through here. Let's see what we look like on the 2-hour. Okay, I like this. What do we got right here? We got 6692, 6681. Slightly bearish divergence actually. Slightly bearish divergence, but it's on the 2-hour. It's fine. All right, it's on the 2-hour. Where did we get bearish divergence? At the 1444. So pretty much we just need to close above the September open, and then we're going to be good, because what do we got here too? We have bullish divergence because we got higher lows. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, higher lows on RSI, higher lows in price. That's good. Good. We are trying to bounce. I would love us to get overbought on the 2-hour. I would just love us to get overbought on the 2-hour and stay above this 64 level. Just get above it, stay above it. Then we're just thinking ultimate bullish things. We do want to see how we interact with this moving average right here on the 100-day. But yeah, so we have our level. We definitely need to get and stay above this September open. And then once we get above the September open, we have one more big level. We have that 1670 level. So we need to see how we interact with these moving averages, right? We need to see how we interact, because it's going to be a lot of resistance right here. So we can't get too excited yet. We have to, keep our course, stick to the plan. Whatever stablecoin dominance is doing, that's what's going to reflect in price, right? We need to make sure that stablecoin dominance is doing what it needs to do. On the weekly, I did want to check this out. This is my little stock play. Hey, if you guys want to see stocks, if you guys have certain stocks, let me know. I do stocks as well. Traditional stocks, that's my bread and butter actually. So I do stocks. I do BTOG, I'm in Nvidia, QSI, I'm in silver, SPY. So all those. So what was I gonna look at? Oh yeah, the MACD. Let me throw this on here real quick, just because some people really like the MACD. All right, so let's look at the MACD real quick for both DEGEN, and JASMY. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Bingo. All right, we finally got some movement. We got some green. We got a green cross. All right, we got a green cross. It's typically a delayed reaction, right? It's delayed, but it's still nice to see, right? It's still nice to see. We haven't, right? We are attempting to cross on the stochastics. We have higher lows? Do we have lower lows? No. We have lower? Okay, we have lower highs. Lower highs. Do we have? Nope. Okay. What about right through here? Ooh, this looks really good. This looks really good. Oh wait, get my marker out of there. Get my marker out of there. We have higher lows on the, this is bullish divergence right here on the 12-hour. We have higher lows, right? Higher lows with lower lows in price. That's very good. That is very good. That's what you like to see. That's what you like to see, okay? So so our momentum isn't going down as much, and our price is staying up higher. Okay? Beautiful. It's what you like to see. JASMY, same thing, but not as much, right? If you just look at the two, right? If you look at the two, kind of the angle of the stochastics, right? DEGEN's got more momentum right now. DEGEN's definitely got more momentum. JASMY's finding a lot of difficulty over this September open. Once we get the September open, once we close above that on a daily, we are looking very bullish. But overall, it looks good, right? We got a cross, we got a cross, we got green, we got green. Right, this last move took us up to that 2 cent mark, pretty much that large area of resistance that we've just have not been able to crack since. I mean, we've been facing it since what, April, right? Just cannot get above it. Once we get above that 1911 area, floodgates are open, baby. Then we'll start doing some, higher time frame targets. I just want to kind of see on the 8-hour what we're doing. Okay, we're kind of just going back and forth, building momentum, which is good. What? I mean, dark green. I mean, we look good. It looks healthy. We look healthy. So, yeah, overall, that's good. Let me just look at some stablecoin dominance. Let's go. That's good. That is beautiful. That's what you love to see, right? Bounce, right? I'm not even looking at the direction. I'm looking at this bounce right here. Tried to cross right here, but couldn't, right? That's beautiful. That's what you love to see, okay? I mean, the angle is good, right? The angles are pointing straight down, but just the rejection off that is beautiful. Let's see something on 12-hour. Beautiful. Tried the same thing right here. You tried it right there. That was the pivot point right there, okay? So we just need continuation to the downside. Do we get a rejection? Oh, we're getting a cross. Ooh, baby. Hey, let's get this cross. Let's close today with this cross, and we are looking beautiful. Let me see, actually. We are crossing right now. Let me see on stablecoin dominance plus Bitcoin. Oh yeah, this is looking good. We have momentum with price action going down. That's good. Imagine when you start to get downward momentum, right? We had this little momentum. See how it's delayed? We had green through here, but we really started through here, right? You see that? Just delayed. So we're about to see some red. So yeah, keep your wits about you, ladies and gentlemen. Have those price targets. We have those price targets in mind for each coin. Right? Hey, I think we're just getting started. You know the thesis on this channel. We are going to pump into the FOMC meeting. We're going to get rate cuts. People are going to expect sell the news. We're not going to get sell the news. We're going to get buy the news. We're going to get a buy the news event. Remember November? Everyone thinks bearish September, bloody September. You know who it's going to be bloody for? It's going to be bloody for the bears, all right? So stick around. If you like today's video, hit that like button. Subscribe for more. Leave a comment where you're tuning in from. Leave a comment what you think the markets are going to do, okay? Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my ideas. And so I just appreciate your time. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great rest of your day. Take it easy. Peace.